皆さん、this is Miss Rita again. 皆さん元気ですか？Distant learning も大変ですね。たくさん宿題があります。いっぱいいろいろな勉強がありますね。皆さん頑張ってください。くじけずに頑張ってください。前向きに頑張りましょう。では、now this is a verbal, excuse me, not a verbal, but an explanation on the knife forms. So we're continuing on the whole spectrum of the plain forms. We spent time in class on the dictionary forms, and the last time we did the distant learning class, we talked about ta forms, which is the past tense of the dictionary form. Now we're going to do the negative of the dictionary form. So in other words, it's also the plain or the casual form of masen. What else can we say? It is negative of the dictionary form. It is also the casual of the present negative. I think those are all the terminologies that we can use to describe this. So it's all under the big umbrella of what's called the plain forms. So the plain forms, again, consist of the dictionary form, the ta form, the nai form, and then we also have the nagata form that we need to do. So we cover 3 thus far. Make sure you're taking notes in your notebooks between page 38 and 39, I believe, or somewhere around there, wherever your notebook is. There is a guiding tool that I provided, which is the explanation sheet. So you might want to open that up to take a look. It also has questions and practice items that you could do. There's also the same Google slide that I posted, so you can use it to guide you through this video. All right, so let's take a look at this short dialogue. 元気ですか？今日お昼ご飯を一緒に食べませんか？3時に食べませんか？私は日本の食べ物は食べません。アメリカの食べ物も食べません。今日は電話をしないでください。私が電話をしますので、電話をしないでください。Jeez, right? So if I were to change the ending to the nai form, how would it sound? 元気？今日お昼ご飯を一緒に食べない？ 3 時に食べない？私は日本の食べ物は食べない。アメリカの食べ物も食べない。今日は電話をしないでね。私が電話をするから電話をしないでね。So if you've noticed, this ka, we dropped the this casual form. 食べませんか the negative turned into 食べない。3時に食べない right? So you notice that the ending is inflected. 日本の食べ物は食べない。ません turns into ない。食べ物も食べない。ません turns into ない。電話をしないでください。電話をしないで。私が電話をします turns into する which is dictionary form. So 電話をしないでください。しないでね。So the dictionary form is the casual form of the mas form, and the nai form is the casual form of the masen form. All right, so nai form is, again, going back to what we were saying, casual present negative, casual form of masen, and the negative of the dictionary form. And again, the verbs will also have 3 categories, group 1, group 2, and the irregular forms. Now, the nai form example sentences are as follows. 悪い言葉を話さないでください。It is part of your vocabulary structure. ないでくださいね。料理をしません。料理をしない。宿題をしなくてもいいです。You do not need to do your homework. Now that is also part of your vocabulary list. 学校で勉強をしなければいけません。or しなければなりません。You must do. So those are the examples of the sentence frames or the sentence endings that we're learning in this particular structure. Now, I'm not going to read this whole thing to you, so you can, if you have the chance to read them, but nai form obviously can be a part of the statements do not do or will not do. It is the negative non-past form, and it is the casual of the negative non-past form. Now, the group ones, you already know, may have a 2 or more ending in their verb stem, and the verb stem ending has a e ending. Now, how do you conjugate this? You've seen this before. This is called the godan katsuyo, or the 5-step conjugation. Now, if you notice here, kakimasu is what we know. It means to write. Now, when we take it up a notch, it's kakanai. When we take it down a notch, it's kaku, which is dictionary form. When you take it 2 down, kakeba, it is a potential form, if you can write. Kako is the volitional form, which means let's write. We're focusing on the top 3 right now. Kakimasu. We take a look at the verb stem. Ki is definitely a group 1. If you take it down, kaki to ku changes to dictionary form. Now let's take it up. Kaka, and then add nai to it. Kakanai. I will not write. Same thing here. Nomimasu, asobimasu, shinimasu. Identifying the groups. They are all group 1s. Mi, bi, ni. Now, what do you do for the dictionary form? Remember, you take it down a notch, right? So, mami, mu, me, mo, mi to mu, bi to bu, ni to nu. Now, we are now turning this into a nai form, so we'll take it up a notch. Nomanai, asobanai, shinanai. And again, this is the reason why you need to know your hiragana characters in order on the charts, right? Now, the group 2s are easy. As usual, you just drop the mas and this time add nai. So, 見えます turns into 見えない。聞こえます、聞こえない。食べます、食べない。負けます、負けない。見ます、見ない。います、いない。寝ます、寝ない。And 起きます is a irregular, or not irregular, but an exception. Looks like a group 1, but it conjugates like a group 2. It's 起きないですね。Now there are 2 irregulars. 来ます、します。来ない、しない。And all the other variations of the します are below. 勉強しない。タイプをしない。旅行しない。買い物しない。練習をしない。Now this is just an example. Go ahead and take a look on your own. 飲みません。知りません。So by meaning, these are exactly the same, correct? 飲みません。Not to drink is 飲まない。知りません is 知らない。見ません is 見ない。いません is いない。Take your time to go through them, but I like for you to focus your attention right here. ありません. Now, ありません, if you follow the instruction, will turn into あらない. Weird, right? ある already means that it's in existence. And so you have to actually get rid of あります. And the conjugation of あります in the ない form is ない. So make sure you remember that. That is really important. Now, another one that you see right here is also important. あいません. Now notice that it says 合わない. So this is a group 1 verb, but whenever you see a e, right? So the e, chi, di category, e turns into わ. So 合わないですね. Make sure you keep note of that. So these are some of your examples. ご飯を食べませんか? This is a question. ご飯を食べない? ジュースを飲みませんか? ジュースを飲まない? In the casual form of Japanese, we do use the question mark. But in the formal form of Japanese, we don't. Now, if it has a question mark, there's an inflection at the end. So, ご飯を食べない? ジュースを飲まない? 電話をしない? 食べない? 起きない? 勉強しない? So, ません all turns into ない. The ka actually equates to the question mark, and it would have an inflection at the end. So the ない form. So go ahead and give that a practice. 試合に負けません。レポートタイプしません。ネズミが死にません。The answers are above. 机に鉛筆がありません。学校で歩きません。Remember, あります is ない in its ない form. 日本語を話しません。プールで泳ぎま